Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are tossing on my new black mudflaps rally armor along with the new N1 Racing Series catback exhaust. What you got going on there? What you got going on there, bud? Alright, well there's the used Invidia N1 Race. Top heat shield with downpipe in there. Just threw the black mud flaps on. It's kind of sketchy here, so we're probably gonna go to the shop tonight.
Come on.
Oh, it's being penny, yeah.
Oh my god, I was so mad.
Oh, no, that pisses me off. That
Yeah.
stuff is like, it's just take my earrings out.
Right?
Number one's off. 2 off. Looking at number 3.
Oh my god.
Finally got her off. Throwing that on. We're gonna give her a start with nothing on her.
Right.
But like, he knows that I'm not really
Woo! Little Terpsky action. Woo! So we just grabbed some grub. Gonna go to the shop. Put this bad boy on. So we're riding it without any exhaust right now. That's where she's staying for a while. See you there, boys. Alright, so we're headed to the shop with nothing on, but just the downpipe, so we took off the whole exhaust. Alright, we're gonna head to the shop, throw on the N1 exhaust, and maybe do the downpipe. We don't know yet. We'll see if we have enough time, but we threw on the black mud flaps along with, we're gonna throw the new banner on. So, yeah, see you back at the shop. Just pulled up to the shop. Whew, I'm gonna pull in. Beautiful outside, eh? Alright, ready to go in?
Yep.
Sure.
Pull your car out.
Sure. Woo, baby. Ooh, back in the shop. Woo. Hey, it's good to be back in here.
Low bar.
Hi, boy.
Gang, dude.
Alright, let's get rolling.
370 well.
Let's get rolling.
Let's start.
He goes, do you want to hear a real car? Oh, baby! Woo! Dude, I can't even.
That's hot.
There's my little soup. poor little thing. All right, so we had one of the bolts here off, but that's minor. Here's the stock down pipe. Throwing that up. All right, let's get it. Is it smooth? No, I mean, okay. We're putting the Grimspeed adapter on because we're just doing the cat back right now. So we're just gonna toss that on and trying to get a little bit of the rust and stuff out. One more piece. Here it is. Oh yeah, no doubt.
Pull back, Jordan.
This is a family-friendly channel.
Family-friendly channel.
Is that a music? Oh no, it's not. It's just the sun.
Watch out.
KK Media, right? It's the guy behind the camera.
That's the guy behind the
Go visit his channel. Go visit their channel.
This right here for the stick shift. This where them stance boys be playing with and getting them tilter wheels.
This is the leaf spring right here, actually.
This ain't no truck, son.
Well, we have cart boys, but we're just gonna try the stock hangers out. First off. What in the world? Got it?
It's in your trailer. You're good. Yeah.
Is it too much or not? So our first problem is just hitting here a little bit because of my hitch, and we will we'll see what we can do about that. Other than that, it fits. I might get Cartboy extra long hangers for the back three. Everything's in, good to go, all the way up until we do the downpipe next time. Good job, man.
Oh yeah, big ass leak, baby. Huge. No bullshit. Oh my god, that's big. No bullshit.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Right
by the donut.
The new pipe.
Yeah, right by the
But
donut.
you don't have to worry about it too much because you're replacing that anyway. But the other part's good. The mid pipe goes to the axle back.
What you doing, sir?
Are you putting your banner on?
Yeah, we're gonna put the banner on now. Woo. Oh, thank you, sir. Well,
It's quite a shit.
Yeah, get the window.
oh, we're on track. Stressful as always, eh? Attaboy. Attaboy. Everyone's tired.
You're tired.
Ooh, we're done. We're done here. Got that on, looks slick. It's good color changer. Flap skis. And exhaust, hey. Good one, boy. Woo, we're out. Peace.